Right, we clearly did it today. We reached 90, in fact, exceeded it for the Hartford area as measured at Bradley Airport. So this begs the question, early, late, near normal? Well, we're running about 3 weeks behind schedule. We typically hit our first 90-degree day on May 17th. The earliest time, this happened 3 different occasions on April 7th, most recently 2010, 1991, and then 1929. In 1908, we did not hit 90 until October 17th. So just some comparison for you. Today, a first alert weather day, given the heat, not only the first 90-degree day of the year, but since August. Tomorrow, a chance for some afternoon thunderstorms that could be strong to severe. That's why tomorrow is a first alert weather day. Saturday tracking some showers, then drier and less humid weather coming for Sunday. So right now we're 74 from our capital city, looking off toward the west. A south wind at 5 overlooking the green there in the Elm City. 73 southwest wind at 3. So that wind direction tonight and some cloud cover really will prevent temperatures from dropping much at all. We're in the 70s now. We'll end up in the 60s, but it's going to be unseasonably mild across Connecticut. We're up 5 to 10 degrees compared to this time last night. And when you factor in dew point values still well into the 60s, we're talking about adding on a couple degrees to the actual air temperature, a bit of a heat index even here in the 11 o'clock hour. So those dew point values remain in that muggy category through tomorrow and Saturday, but look at that sharp drop off for Sunday behind a cold front. That front, unfortunately, will bring some showers to the state on Saturday. So our trend of unsettled weekends will continue. You have to go back to late February to find a weekend that was entirely dry for Saturday and Sunday. So we are tracking some showers and storms off to our west. They've been on a weakening, diminishing trend as they head eastward. So really should not be of any issue for us tonight. We bottom out in the mid and upper 60s, warm and muggy. Those overnight lows running 10 to 15 degrees above average for this time of year. First alert futurecast tomorrow showing some scattered clouds in the morning, becoming partly to mostly cloudy. So that's one reason why temps tomorrow are not going to be as warm as today. And then here you can see how things begin to light up by, say, 3, 4, 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, especially across inland Connecticut, thanks to that frontal boundary that's going to be draped across the region. So highs tomorrow, 80 to 85 inland, 75 to 80 along the 95 corridor, while remaining muggy. So it may feel a few degrees warmer than the actual air temperature. Unfortunately, tomorrow, some improvement when it comes to our air quality. Instead of unhealthy for sensitive groups or just downright unhealthy, we're looking at all those yellow dots, so moderate levels of air quality tomorrow. So when it comes to our allergy forecast, tomorrow some storms later in the day and then a better chance for showers on Saturday could drop those levels a bit before we start to dry out and they rise again on Sunday. So here's a look specifically at Saturday. Showers and storms off to our west and northwest with a cold front. As that gets closer, mid to late Saturday morning and through the middle part of the day, our best chance for showers. And then as we make our way 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, at least as we see it now, rain wraps up and then we'll get some clearing through the mid to late afternoon hours. Again, so all in association with this front that behind this will set the stage with high pressure building in for much better weather over the second half of the weekend. Here's a look at dew point values on Saturday evening. We're in the 60s. It's going to still be muggy, but by Sunday afternoon, we're going from the 60s into the 50s, even into the 40s. So the air really dries out. A really pleasant second half of the weekend is on tap with high Sunday in the mid and upper 70s. Monday of next week, we start dry. Highs in the 70s, sun and clouds. Another storm system moves through on Tuesday, bringing some showers, perhaps some thunderstorms behind that, increasing sunshine Wednesday, highs near 80, even warmer weather by Thursday of next week as we head into the low and mid 80s.